To create a Gmail account without using a phone number on your Android device, follow these steps. Open the Gmail account, tap on your profile icon and choose Add another account option. Select Google, then tap Create Account and choose for myself or for business. I prefer for myself. Enter your first and last name and tap Next. Choose your birth date and gender, and then tap Next again. Now select a Gmail username or create a custom one. Then tap Next. Enter a strong password and tap on Next. When asked for a phone number, look for the skip option. This may not always appear depending on your location. Once skipped, review your account info, agree to Google's terms and conditions, and tap Create Account. That's it. You now have a Gmail account without a phone number. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.